Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can allow anyone with the link can have access and fill your Google form. So let's say you create a Google Forms that you want to share to the respondents, and you want to make everyone who has the link can fill the form. So what you need to do is go to the Google Form settings in here, good settings tab, and then click on the responses section. Click on the arrow down. So in here, there will be a few options that you need to turn off. The first one is the collect email addresses. So when you turn this on, respondent will be required to sign into the Google account. So if they don't have a Google account, they can't fill in this form. So you need to turn this off. Click on this box and choose do not collect. And after that, in the require sign in options, you need to turn this on. You need to turn this off, sorry, so that the respondent will not be required to sign in. Just like that. And it's done. And you can just click on send and share this Google form to the respondents. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.